My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terje Rod Larsen, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein. And it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4. Now, the Epstein files, the Yuva Neta should know, are about wrongdoing, criminal offences. What am I telling Mr. Reid Hoffman on an email which is copied to Epstein? I'm saying, during the session, mera naam liya in the context of some developments elsewhere, the Epstein files. So I just want to share some information with you. That these facts are all known, they're in the public domain. 3 million emails have been released. All right? In these 3 million emails, I am in New York for 8 years. Okay? We are talking about the period 2009, May, when I joined as India's ambassador to the UN in New York, and when I became a minister in 2017. 8 years hi ho gaya na? Okay. 9 to, yeah. Then there are references to possibly 3 or 4 meetings in 8 years. And if anybody has seen my website or had done the homework, but I decided to tell the Yuva Neta, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, because he winked at me and asked me, name an interesting places. So I said, I'll send you a note. And in that note, I told him that after I retired as India's ambassador to the UN, a few months later, I was invited to join the International Peace Institute. The International Peace Institute is an institute which was set up many years earlier for the purposes of international peacekeeping by the UN. But I was not part of the IPI per se. I was Secretary General of something called the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. This was a commission set up in the IPI as a project to see if the United Nations was fit for purpose on the occasion of its 75th anniversary. Okay? Now, the president of this, the chair of this was a former Prime Minister of Australia. I was the Secretary General. My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terje Rod Larsen, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein. And it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4. And the ICM was dealing with international issues, thematic issues, and Mr. Epstein was not part of it. Acha, is Doran, very interestingly, in 8 years, there are 2 references or 1 email which I exchange, which is because they have introduced me, that is, my contacts have introduced me to a man called Reid Hoffman. Reid Hoffman was the founder of LinkedIn. I don't know how many of you are on LinkedIn. I suspect many of you are on LinkedIn. So I meet Mr. Reid Hoffman of LinkedIn, and after the meeting with Reid Hoffman, I send a message. Now, the Epstein files, the Yuva Neta should know, are about wrongdoing, criminal offences. The Epstein files are about charges that he had an island where he used to take people to indulge their sexual fantasies, charges of pedophilia, and there are victims of this. Those victims have brought cases against the people in authority. My interaction has got nothing to do with that. My interaction, and this is the only substantive email, there are 1 or 2 others also I'll give you. This is dated 13th November 2014. What am I telling Mr. Reid Hoffman on an email which is copied to Epstein? I'm saying, I am now convinced more than ever that India today presents a terrific opportunity for internet-based economic activity. I'm just reading out parts of it. India, with 200 million users, is the world's fastest growing country for internet users. Vaya, here is a professional I'm not even part of the government. In the month of November 2014, I was a private citizen. Somebody says they want to look at India. I may have a meeting with Reid Hoffman, who is the founder of LinkedIn, on the west coast of the United States.